reflection in the window. I mean, I'm so sad that all these bars, I guess, is outside, but this bird, I'm trying to figure out what it is. All I see was red, a red wing flopping, and I'm like, wait a minute, what bird is this? So I was intrigued, so I started to video it. I wish those bars wasn't there so I can get like a clearer vision of this bird, but oh my god, look at it, guys. What bird is this, guys? You gotta help me out because I don't know what this is. I know it's not a cardigan. Is it a cardigan? I don't know, but it's beautiful, and it was just minding its business just in the backyard. Oh my god, I just so wish this bar wasn't there so I could see it clearly. Look at the color. Oh my goodness. It caught my eyes. I had to video it before it flew away. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. What a day to end my evening. Honestly, I was so shocked to see this. It's so gorgeous. But if you guys know this bird, this species, let me know. Let me know. Back in my sister's yard, like it has a whole lot of wildlife going on back there. There was this big squirrel, this cat, like, oh